One of the amazing things I love about me knowing how to make hair is for the fact that I can make my hair myself. Like I can make any style that I want. And the reason why I even love making my hair is, when I decide to stand up, I stand up. When I decide to sit, I sit. Like I can do things. As a mother of three, it's not easy to make your hair yourself and be taking care of kids, but I've been able to manage and I'm so happy about that. Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Susan Good TV. So if you want to know how I made this hair for myself, just watch this video till the end. And I installed this hair on my natural 4C hair. Like what I mean is my hair has never been retouched, and I was able to like make it and it looks really good. It looks natural. So if you want to know how I made this hair, so just watch this video till the end. Thank you so much. So first thing first, hello guys, welcome back again. So I just had to braid my hair. I'm going to continue this till I finish the hair before I start installing the dreadlocks. I weave the hair, but I twist the tip. When I get to the tip, I just twist it. So I don't weave it till the tip. So this is how I'm going to do it until the end. The cutting is optional. You can cut it round, you can cut it square, just the way you want it. I started making this hair in the evening, like it was already 6 p.m. when I started this hair. Trust me guys, I made this hair till night. Like I made sure I finish it before the next day so I can make my kids' hair the next day, because this is Saturday and I'm making my kids hair on Sunday because they are going to school. So that's why I make sure I finish the hair. I didn't start the hair on time because I was cooking, as a mom of three. So I have to cook, I have to take care of things before I started making my hair. So I'm going to continue it like this until everything is done. So this is how it looks afterwards. Yes guys, this is how it looks. So now I'm going to start installing the dread. So I'm going to be using 4 packs of these 4 dreadlocks. This is the 4 pack I'm using, and I ordered it from Amazon. And this is the kicking coil afro I'm going to use. So I'm going to cut it into 2, then start taking little pieces of it and just start to make the hair. Guys, just see how I started. So this is the little piece I'm going to take, and first I'll put my crochet pin inside the hole, then use it, take it to my hair, then hold my head in it, pin it, cover it, the hole, then push the dreads into it, then drag the hair out. So I will now put the crochet pin under my hair that I weaved, put the hair in the pin again, then drag it out from the down. So now the hair is secured. So you see the way it is now. So even if you leave it, it's not going to fall out because the hair is secure. So I'm going to hold the hair along with the dread, then take the kicking coil like this, then hold it along with the hair too, then start threading it just like that. Then we are good to go. Guys, I hope you understand the way I'm explaining it now. You know, when you hold the kiki coil to the hair, you hold the very little part to the hair. The longer one is the side, the part I'm going to use to I'm using to thread it, you know. And yeah, if you don't understand it, please just see the way I'm doing it. It's very easy. So you put the crochet pin first to the hair, and you put it to the pin to your hair, and once you drag it out, you put the pin under your hair that you weaved. That means you are taking your hair down from down out again. So this way you can pack your hair any way, any style you want, back or front, and anyhow, because it's like the hair is circle, so it's very easy. So you see the way I do it now, like this: cover the crochet, then you push the hair to it, you draw the hair out, then you now take that crochet pin again, so you put it under your hair, and also put your hair on the pin again, then drag it out. So when you drag it out, draw it. Some people they do this weaving, this threading, sorry, from like the middle, which is the like mine now. I put the dread down of it before I start threading it. Some people they started from middle. So it's optional, guys. If you know you have enough time, or you want it to be longer, for example, you want your dread to be longer, so you don't have to draw the dread to the root just the way I did mine. You can do it a little bit up. So I don't want mine to be longer, and I don't want mine to be equal. If you also want it to be equal, you can draw it, you can adjust it the way you want it to be, so that it can give you the length that you want. So that will make it equal. But if you don't want it to be equal, just weave it the way it is. At the end, it will not be equal, because me, at times I just pack some parts, at times I leave some parts. So when it's equal, I don't see that beauty. So when it's not equal, it looks like, your natural dread. Natural dread is not always someone know how to make their hair. To allow someone to touch your hair is very difficult. For me, I really don't like it. Like somebody come and make my hair. Not that it's bad, it's not bad, but I feel more comfortable making my hair myself. Like, you know why? I can stand up whenever I want, I can sit whenever I want, I can just decide to pause whenever I want. But when someone is like making my hair, it feel like I'm just being stuck in one place. So this is the same way our kids are feeling whenever we are making their hair, you know. Like we are preventing them from running around playing, you know. So this is just the same way. I got to understand it because of the way I feel whenever I'm making my hair. So if you are also making your hair, how do you feel? Do you like making your hair, or do you prefer someone make your hair for you? So guys, we are almost done with the hair, and as at now I was a bit tired because it was late at night. If you watched it this time, that means you are enjoying the video. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've not subscribed, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support.
Just tell me if I'm Just tell me if I'm correct.
So guys, this is the end of this video. So what do you think about this hair? Do you like it? Is it tiny enough? Yeah, I think the next time I'm going to do, I'm going to make it a little bit, just a little bit tinier, because I was having about 7 to 8 strands of dread left. So I'm going to make it a little bit tinier so that all the 4 pack will enter, because 4 pack, each pack carry 25, which is, it gives about let's say 100. Okay, so here is after I made the hair, and this is how I look after. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up,